Now, your Storm Team 4 forecast. Weather you can plan your life around.
And sea level rises are important when you see scenes like this. At least 2 people have been killed, 16,000 displaced as a powerful typhoon moved through the northeastern Philippines this weekend. Typhoon Kapu dumped heavy rain, packing winds of up to 100 miles per hour. It had been a Category 4 storm a couple of days ago. Army troops, police deployed to rescue people in trapped villages. Officials say the storm set off landslides, flash flooding. You can see just how bad the situation is with a couple of feet of today. Winds knocking down trees, electricity poles, and unfortunately, this is the problem. The slow-moving storm is sitting over the Philippines for days, blocked by high pressure over the North Pacific. It's been a historic hurricane season in the Pacific, not so much in the Atlantic. We were relatively quiet because of El Nino wind shear that kind of kept storms from getting better organized. It's a cold night tonight. Temperatures are dropping into the 30s, but not quite as fast as they were dropping last night. We're getting a little bit of a light southerly breeze, at least north and west. You notice Columbus, at least Port Columbus, at 39. But as usual, we get into those rural valleys out to the east and southeast. It's 28 at Lancaster. It was 23 this morning at Fairfield County Airport, 34 at Zanesville, 31 at Athens. So a cold night tonight. The freeze warning essentially is for areas that didn't really freeze last night. Freeze meaning upper 20s for maybe 4 hours, and that is the far southeast, but that is where the coldest air, the core, will settle overnight. McConnellsville, Athens, New Lexington, and Somerset. But there will be heavy frost in many other areas, including Chillicothe, the suburbs of Columbus, and say Mount Vernon and Mount Gilead. 31 in the morning here in town, 53 at lunchtime, 61. So that's a little bit better in the afternoon, considering we didn't get out of the 40s yesterday and only got to about 54 today. Now, as we go through the evening hours and into the morning, we'll see temperatures plummet. 31 at 7 a.m., 53 at noon, and 61 in the afternoon. But we should have abundant sunshine, so that's all good news. 39 now. 49 was our high. Actually, that was yesterday's high. Today's high did get up to 61. And again, the temperature's 28 Lancaster, 36 at Mount Vernon. So you can see an unusual spread going on with the colder readings to the south and east. So some of our southeastern temperatures are down to freezing, already frost level and frost on the windshield. So once again, the freeze warning in the southeast. Now, as we move forward, a chilly weekend, but southerly winds return. A moderating trend in your forecast. You're going to like it. You can see the clouds, the streamers coming off Lakes Michigan and Erie and Ontario, rain and snow showers, and some patchy clouds for us. But high pressure is building into the Virginias. So that puts us on the other side of the high. So we start to get southerly breezes over the next couple of days. You're going to see a pretty quick jump in temperature. So we go through your day on Monday, lots of sunshine. Some clouds begin to spill into the northern part of the state on your Tuesday. But the atmosphere pretty dry. Showers will stay across Michigan back toward Chicago. The heavier clouds will be along and north of US 30. So we'll see mostly sunny skies both Monday and Tuesday. Now Wednesday, you can see a batch of clouds coming in, but the front essentially turns tail and heads back to the north as a warm front. So again, the focus of rain near the frontal boundary misses us. We'll be dry on Wednesday, a little bit cloudier, but a brisk southwest wind should get us up to near 70 for the start of the Circleville Pumpkin Show. Our only chance for showers will come Wednesday night into early Thursday morning as that cold front begins to drift into the state. But the jet stream, which is digging way down to the south and brought us all this cold air, it's starting to retreat to the north. Low pressure takes more of a northerly track, so that allows a milder southwesterly flow of winds. And even when a cool front comes through later in the week, it's not going to be all that chilly. Actually, it's going to be pretty seasonably mild for the entire week into next weekend. 31 degrees tonight. Again, widespread frost, just 1 or 2 clouds out there. Brilliant sunshine for your Monday. How about 61? So that's getting back to almost normal. Our average high is about 64. Light southerly breezes. Tuesday, 68. Pumpkin show starts on Wednesday in Circleville with a parade. 71 degrees. And then a few showers Wednesday night through about midday Thursday. Not much of a rain threat, though. Night 67. Instead of seeing your breath, temperatures will be in the 50s for the games. And then for Saturday here, 74. Piscataway, New Jersey, about 62 degrees for the OSU game against Rutgers. A little bit cooler, but still a nice weekend until maybe a couple of showers roll in on Sunday.
All right. Thank you, Ben.